What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to bring you a quick video on this unboxing I'm about to do. As you know, I'm a Tesla fan, and so a couple months back, well, not a couple months, I believe it was last year, Elon released about, I think, 25,000 of these from his other company called the Boring Company, and it was a special cologne that's supposed to smell like burnt hair. I just wanted to buy it as a collector's item. I have no reason to be walking around smelling like burnt hair, of course. Reminds me of the time where Burger King released a perfume or fragrance that made you smell, I guess, like a Whopper. So I guess this is similar. But I'm going to go ahead and open the box. And right off the bat, you see burnt hair, singed, and up top, the essence of repugnant desire. So the box itself that the cologne comes in, very nice. It has a suede feel to it. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Okay, let's leave that to the side. And it does come with a card here. And it reads, the smoke show, congratulations on your purchase of burnt hair. It's going to be lit. And then it says, but not really. Then you flip it over and you have a whole bunch of warnings on there. Might be a joke, it might not, but don't want to take any chances. Let's go ahead and put that up to the side. And so yes, you have a nice box that comes with it. Now this was $100. I do have another one that I did buy. I brought two of these. Hopefully the next one ships out by next month. If not, I'm going to email them. But I did buy two of these. Okay. And this is how it looks. Burnt hair, singed, very nice design. Yeah, definitely not. There's a quick smell test. I'm definitely not going to be spraying this on myself, but again, a collectible item. I think they made only 25,000 of these, and I do have another one coming. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of burnt hair. Again, very nice packaging that it came in. That's it for my video, guys. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. I may have a vlog in a few weeks or so, in a week or so, because I am going to New York and I will be road tripping in my Tesla, and we'll see how that goes. Peace out.